Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back with another video. Today I'm going to be explaining this 500 gram banger, the fat one, by Phantom brand fireworks. This is what the cake looks like. You get 34 shots, hot dogs, and fireworks. These are what all the tubes look like. Let me know in the comments if you want me to start doing this more often, taking the top off so you can actually see the tubes. Let me know in the comments. And then, hold on, guys. This is the performance right here. Sorry about the label there. I tried to take the top off and some of the label fell off. But anyway, so these are some of the effects. This is what it says. This cake has it all. Multicolor and large variety of effects. Red, green, gold, silver, purple, blue, and orange. Glitter, brocades, stars, crackle, and palm breaks. But anyways, the fat one by Phantom brand fireworks. I would recommend it. Here goes the fat one. 34 shots plus a 300 missile. Here we go. Come on, light.
Oh my god, dude.
Okay, go.